Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to spawn neutral creeps in Dota 2 demo. This is important if you are practicing farming patterns, stack timing, or spell damage without pressure. First, start a hero demo from the Heroes tab. Once you are in the demo map, open the More tab in the Demo Control panel on the left side of the screen. Here you will see multiple options for neutral creeps. Click any neutral to spawn any neutral creeps. This will spawn a neutral creep beside you.
Obelisk, guide me.
If you want to reset and remove the neutrals from the map, you can type "kill creeps" all in chat. And that's how to spawn neutral creeps in Dota 2 demo. Thank you so much for watching.